Today I'm going to be talking about negative externalities. An externality is what happens when a third party experiences an effect from a transaction between a producer and a consumer. And what makes an externality negative is when it's a cost to a third party instead of a benefit. Okay, so when graphing a negative externality, it's going to have two supply curves, and that's going to look like this. And it's going to have one demand curve. Now these two supply curves, one is going to be your marginal private cost and your marginal social cost. And your demand curve is going to be your marginal social benefit. This point right here where the marginal social cost intersects with the marginal social benefit is going to be your socially optimal point, and then where your marginal private cost intersects with a marginal social benefit, it's going to be the free market point. And your dead weight loss is found at this triangle right here between the difference of the social cost and private cost, and it's going to be this triangle here, and this is going to be your dead weight loss. The reason that this is a negative externality is because the social cost is above the private cost, and that is creating a negative externality. And the way that the government tries to help negative externalities is by taxing negative externalities, and this helps to bring the marginal private cost curve closer to the marginal social cost curve, thus decreasing the dead weight loss and bringing the free market point closer to the socially optimal point.